Hello, E1 recorder students of Carlton School. This is going to be our version of Iron Man that we're going to open the recorder concert with. So we're walking in. I'm going to play the whole thing first, and then we'll break. And then I'll break down each part. So we're walking in. Drums are going. The guitar's going. People are like, woo! You're banging your head, or not. Slightly bobbing your head. All right, one time through with the guitar, then we play. Get ready on me. We are Carlton School, playing our recorders, yeah, we rule. We are Carlton School, hope you like the concert we do for you. We'll play it one more time, and then it goes to the bridge. I'll stop the music there. Or maybe not. No, I'll definitely stop the music there. So we'll end it with, hope you like the concert we do for you. All right, now let's break this down. So, or I'll just have a breakdown. Either way, it's going to be a fun show. So, the guitar riff plays first, and then we're going to play the guitar riff 2 times on the recorder. So you should have your music in front of you right now that we handed out in class. It's Iron Man by Black Sabbath, Carlton School style. We're going to do the B, D, D, E, E. So I want you to sing that with me first. If you want to do the B and then the D and the E high, that's the high D. And remember, high E is like regular E, except you uncover half the hole on the back. So listen, low E, high E, low E, high E. And it helps if you do that with your eyebrows. Low, high, low. Okay, this is what I do at the end of the day after the students leave the classroom. So we're going to do B, ready? B, D, D, E, E. Or you can do low D. B, D, D, E, E. It's your choice. So I like the high ones, but that's just me. 1, 2, on the B. Good. Let's do it one more time. I'll do the low one this time. So it's B, D, D, E, E. Ready? 1, 2, on the B. I stunk that one up. Let's do it again. 1, 2, on the B. All right, that wasn't bad. The next part is G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, D, D, E, E. Remember F sharp. Don't move your fingers up and down like this. If I see somebody moving their fingers up and down, I am going to lose my mind. And there's not much left to lose. So for F sharp, pretend you're playing D and lift off your pointer finger. That way you're right there ready to play D. So sing this with me. We're going to do, I know it's F sharp, but I'm going to say F so I can get the timing right. So we're going to do G, F, G, F, G, F, D, D, E, E. Do it again. G, F, G, F, F, G, F, D, D, E, E. Let's play it. You ready? On the G. And. You really want to this one out. So each of those notes sounds nice and clear. Articulate. Here we go. Let's do it again on the G. And. Our recorder sounds like there's a lot of disgustingness in it, but I'm not cleaning it out. I don't care. My mom can't make me clean out my recorder. Let's do the whole thing. So we're going to go B, D. Remember, every time we sing it and practice the fingering, it's going to make it easier for us to play it. Here we go. B, D, D, E, E, G, F, G, F, G, F, D, D, E, E, B, D, D, E, E, G, F, G, F, G, F, D, D, E, E. Can we try to play it? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, on the B. Good. Then we sing. We are Carlton School, playing our recorders, yeah, we rule. We are Carlton School, hope you like the concert we do for you. Then we play the guitar riff again. Hold on, I have to have a drink. I'm very tired. You can't have a drink during the concert in the middle of the song. Then we are going to hear the guitar riff one more time, and then we will play the guitar riff again before we go to the bridge part. The bridge is the wee, nee, 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 nee. Those notes are B, D, B, B flat, A. Here's B flat. It's like G, except lift your middle finger up. Like G, but lift your middle finger up. So we're going to do, sing it with me and try the fingering for the bridge. Here we go. B, D, B, B, flat, A. That goes 3 times. B, D, B, B, flat, A. B, D, B, B, flat, A. And then we're going to go back to that. Wee, B, D, D, E, E. We're going to play that guitar riff twice. And then we sing out. Let's try the bridge part together on recorder. So it's B, D, B, B, flat, A. Ready? Get ready on B. 1, 2, on the B. Breathe. One more time. And then back to the guitar riff. And then we sing it, and then we are done. Let's try it all together right now. I'm going to play it right now. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm going back to the beginning. Here we go. Oh, yes. So it starts, actually, the tempo's a little slower to start. So that's helpful for us because we're just learning this. Sorry. I gotta bend my note. Here we go. All right, get ready. Don't come in late because you're not ready. Here we go. We are Carlton School, playing our recorders, yeah, we rule. We are Carlton School, hope you like the concert we do for you. So you can come right back in then, or give yourself a second, and we'll come in for the next riff. Here we go. and then I'll stop the music before it keeps going, so it sounds like it was meant to be. I think this is going to be awesome. All right, practice it. Practice it. I love you.